Yeah, we're at the Richard A. Beer Garage at USF. And look at
Right. You got a view of the shaft. You can see the EcoDisc in the distance.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a view up there too.
Whoa! The indicator's busted. Look at that.
Yep. Indicator doesn't even work, but it's scenic at least.
Yeah. That's, oh gosh, that actually kind of scared me a little bit.
Yeah, these are freakishly loud.
And the close button is kind of falling apart.
Yeah.
And I'm not even going to say what that looks like on the indicator.
Yeah, it's just messed up.
And of course the cap's basic, but it would be anyway regardless of the brand.
Some of the buttons got replaced. Like,
Yeah, well some of what's interesting is this has the KSS 500 indicator, and most of the buttons are 500, but these two are 370. We'll give this one more ride.
Yeah, sure. You want to check out the other one after this?
Yeah, we'll call it up from the top.
Yeah, okay.
Are the doors even in sync with one another? Oh, and the door open didn't work.
Yeah.
Actually, does it? No, it doesn't.
Wait, it doesn't work?
No. I have no clue what that sound is. That might have been the cavalry.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Look. See, look. Oh, well, I got it to work.
Okay, now it
finally.
works. Alright.
And there's a look down the shaft. Of course, you can't see the EcoDisc since we're at the top, but
Yeah, you can see down there. There we go.
Floor's a little uneven.
And here, you can get a view onto USF's campus. But there that one goes.
It's listening as it goes down. Makes a really weird noise.
Yeah, agreed.
I have no clue what it is, but
Let's see how this one rides. This
I'm
one,
guessing one of these is the control room.
Yeah.
Because unlike most MRLs, EcoDisc still have control rooms.
yeah.
Only the machines are MRL. I think I heard something like so. And of course, that's the roller coaster brake, as I like to call it.
Yeah.
And the door open button doesn't work at all, no matter how many times I push it.
Yeah.
But the door close does.
That's like surprising. Like normally door close is the one that doesn't
And
work.
notice how the door closes front close like it has a rear door.
Yeah.
At least the indicator works on this one.
Yeah.
We'll take a ride up on this one just so we can get a view out going out.
Yeah, sure.
And notice how dented the doors are. Look at that.
Yeah, these elevators have seen a lot of use. What, these were installed I think in 2008. So we know some EcoDisc from 5 years ago don't run that well. Well, this one is 13 years old, so
Yeah, I don't know where I heard this, but somebody said that they found on one of Kone's sites or catalogs, and they said that EcoDiscs are only designed to last 4 to 6 years, apparently.
yeah.
So these have outlived that by double. They've lived double that.
Yeah, I wonder how.
I mean, this one's actually pretty smooth.
Yeah, it's a little better than the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see just when you push the button, the whole panel shakes.
Yeah. It's pretty cheap, but yeah, this one does run better for sure. But it's still not too great though.
Yeah.
I have no clue what noise that is.
Me neither.
It might be a bad guy. I would think it's a bad guy rail, but the elevators aren't shaking, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
There it goes.
There it goes. That is gonna be it.
That'll be it.